guys, what is up? It's another day here in Siem Reap, Cambodia. Today we got up at the crack of dawn, well way before dawn actually, because we wanted to see the sunrise coming out of Angkor Wat. That's where we are right now. Apparently, but it was really cloudy, can't even speak. It was really cloudy, so we didn't actually get to see the sunrise above it. Had a little bit of sunshine come through one of the clouds, a little bit in it, but it was so far away and didn't have the right lens for it, so it wasn't really the most awesome one, but it was cool to have as a memory anyway. So let's go check this place out. Oh my gosh, this is a bloody big temple. We're coming through the main gate. We went through the second section in the middle where the big towers are. There's an enormous lineup to go up inside the towers over there, so I didn't do it this time. We already spent ages here because we had the time lapse set up for an hour, so pretty much everyone was inside the complex before we even left the area where we were, so you can imagine how massive that line is. It's ridiculously enormous, so I didn't fancy sitting around for another hour or so because we've got another couple of temples to go to. So yeah, I'm pretty hot and sticky now. Whew, as I was saying, it hasn't seemed quite as hot in Cambodia, but today is pretty muggy, but we have been doing a fair bit of hustling around. Because it is feeling quite warm today and it's still pretty early in the morning. I lost the other guys, so we're going to have to go find where they are. Must be nice to Google Maps. Got to Bayon Temple now. It's the second one of the stop. I think we have one more after this because we went to like a big bridge which was similar structure to this. Not exactly a temple though, so I don't think that was stop number 2, so I think this is stop number 2. So we should have another one to go after this. Well, not bothered now. That was Bayon Temple. I couldn't film in most of it there because they wouldn't let us take the camera in. So just sort of photos for that one. But I enjoyed that one a hell of a lot more than the last one. What do you reckon, Cambo?
Yeah, it was excellent.
Yeah, we actually went on to all the way to the top level on this one, which we didn't get to do last time because it was so jam-packed full of people. But the view up there is way higher than it looked.